Hey, I'm Adam, M-Carbo, in charge of R&D and technical support. Here to show you the M-Carbo M series that Keltec's going to be offering. On this we have our new Optic mount, folding, locks in place, able to close the gun, keep the optic out of the way, fast deployment. We have our spring kit, trigger bar, aluminum trigger guard, extended mag release. This is our 9mm muzzle brake. We have extended heavy charging handle, heavy bolt, so shooting this basically zero recoil, crisp trigger brake, and extended rear sight.